All right, let's talk about payroll. Running payroll isn't just complicated, it's chaotic. It's different rules, different countries, different policies, different people. And then on top of that, you have everyone telling you that they simplify your global payroll when in reality they probably just make it more complicated. Deel Payroll exists because everyone deserves to have a single unified infrastructure to run their global payroll on. Wherever you are in the world, whatever your worker type, however you choose to run your payroll, you deserve to be able to do it in one place, and fundamentally that's why Deel Payroll exists. Whatever flavor of Deel Payroll you're utilizing or whatever you need from us, we have the flexible approach to working with our customers that we can make that happen. So to give you an example, one of them might be Deel Payroll Connect. And Payroll Connect enables organizations to aggregate and consume data from other third-party payroll providers and other payroll sources to bring that into their global payroll landscape. What Deel's AI enables us to do is it enables us to very quickly and seamlessly match the old columns with where they should go in the Deel Payroll platform. And that means that a process which used to have lots of different pitfalls is now seamless, quicker, and far less risky to organizations, meaning that they can go on their payroll transformation journey confidently and much faster. At Deel, we faced the same challenges that all of our customers faced. This meant that Deel had to be its own customer. And that same technology, which has enabled Deel to scale at the speed that we have, is exactly the same technology that we now share with our customers, which means that wherever our customers or our partners, wherever they are in the world, they can utilize best-in-class technology to ensure that their people are paid compliantly, on time, every time. Deel Payroll simplifies everything. However you choose to process payroll, wherever you choose to process payroll, one technology, one team, one way of working, that's Deel.